Welcome to our instruction video. Today we will show you how to properly install and use our cable railing posts. Before starting the installation, please make sure you have received all necessary accessories. These typically include railing posts, screws, nuts, top fittings, installation manuals, etc. If any accessories are missing, please contact our customer service immediately. Before starting the installation, please prepare the required installation tools such as screwdrivers, wrenches, crimping pliers, etc. Make sure the railing posts are positioned accurately using measuring tools to determine the spacing and location of the railing posts. Install the railing posts securely to the ground using the screws and nuts provided. Make sure the railing posts are plumb to ensure the stability of the entire structure. Now, let's connect the cables to the railing posts. Follow the instructions in the installation manual and thread the cables correctly to ensure a secure connection. Use an invisible kit on the edge and seal the bevel with a beveled washer to make your railing more beautiful and coordinated. Congratulations! You have successfully installed our cable railing posts. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please feel free to contact our customer service team.